Hello everybody. So today I'm going to talk about trading profiles and how your emotions relate to trading the profiles. So we're going to reference the bund on this one, so I'll quickly take you through the setup. Okay, so over here you can see the bund profiles. Now last week traded lower and actually closed near the lows. The low of last week is this no excess low here. And just below that is another well auction no excess low. Friday was this break of this inside day. The market closed weak. It also closed below the inside day, the cash close. And so I thought, okay, if this market can hold down here, there's a chance that if we get some good flow that we can go through these lows and kind of cascade through. Now, that's not what happened this morning, but obviously you don't know that when you get here at the start of the day. So now if we shift to the 5-minute candlesticks on the left. So the market opened near Friday's low and all the overnight positioning, so the positioning since Friday cash close, was all down here as well. And so this presented a bit of a risk because this is weaker positioning. Now the market opened, it auctioned down quite aggressively. In some ways that actually, it made me want to feel like I had to take this trade. It's like a misleading emotion. It really is like the emotion that if you follow, you get sucked in. So when you feel that, you know that there's something missing. And then if we think about, well, what's missing? Well, this market hadn't pulled value down, right? And so that's why trying to jump in on something like this is important not to do it. So that feeling of I might miss out, when you feel that, you need to ask, okay, what does this market actually need to do to set me up? And so then that is to spend some time developing value. And you see after it pulled back, the market then auctioned higher and higher. And there was no counter bid, right? This is all just grinding higher, counter offer, sorry. And so then this was kind of an interesting thing, and it made me then question this idea a little bit. We did get an offer around the cash open. You can notice that the volumes were still really poor, which is again not very good because it's not telling us that we have great participation in the day, which isn't really aligned with the big offer. And then the market continued to grind higher. Now it did stop here at this important level, which is the value area low. We had this little tick through the highs and failure. Then the longs got squeezed a little bit. The market then came back up and couldn't bid. So at that stage, this is a great opportunity now, positioning here with the best risk reward you're going to get for the short, to try and look for an offer. Now also in here there was a Belgium offer, an auction, I think it was for 10, 12 and 30-year bonds. And so I got short in here, took some offers, we traded down and some off down here at the lows. This one was interesting actually, kind of up here. Technically I really liked the idea, I liked the idea this morning with my plan, but just the way that the market didn't have any offer back against this bid and how the structure in here, it just wasn't set up in a way that really grabbed me. And so actually in this instance I felt quite nervous taking this trade, and then I just wrote a plan and sort of had to convince myself of why this trade's good. So I think when you have this kind of I don't know, you're sort of scared to take the trade, you need to go through and work out if your asymmetry is really there. And then once I did that, I was like, yeah, okay, I think this is going to go. I sized it a little bit smaller, and then you can see that, okay, some of the things that were obviously catching my idea were things I needed to be concerned with because volumes didn't come in. The market turned around and then bid for the rest of the day.